Are you looking for exciting YouTube video ideas? Whether you post fashion, challenges, vlogs, or beauty content, you've clicked on the right video to get inspired. I'm going to be sharing 50 video ideas, and you can find the timestamps in the description to go straight to the section that is relevant for you. I'm Talissa, one half of Content Creator Pod. My sister and I post tutorials and podcasts to help YouTubers grow their channel. If that's you, please subscribe. You're probably ready to hear the ideas, so let's go. Starting off with the basics. Number 1, get to know me tag. This can be about your channel, who you are, why you got started. Number 2, Q&A. These can be questions from your followers or questions that you find online. Number 3, answering your assumptions about me. Moving on to vlogs. Video idea 4, a day in my life. 5, trying one new thing every day for a week. 6, story time. This can be something funny or entertaining that happened to you that you'd love to share with your followers. 7, my workout routine. 8, letting Instagram followers decide my day. 9, taking BuzzFeed quizzes. 10, reading my childhood diary. 11, get ready with me for a date or concert or party or any other event. If you want to do a cooking video, these are some ideas for you. We're up to video idea number 12, which is cooking a 15-minute recipe. 13, testing viral TikTok recipes. 14, recreating my favorite Starbucks drink. 15, trying funny kitchen gadgets. 16, trying to recreate Pinterest cupcake art. Now going on to beauty. 17, following a makeup tutorial. 18, how I do my everyday makeup look. 19, putting makeup with my eyes closed. 20, trying a crazy hair day hairstyle. 21, trying heatless hair curling methods. This section is for all the fashion YouTubers out there. Video idea 22, clothing haul. This can be a specific brand haul or it can be an event like Boxing Day clothing haul. 23, what I found at the thrift shop. 24, lookbook. 10 outfit ideas for a special occasion. 25, back to school outfit ideas. 26, the current season's lookbook. For example, a summer lookbook or a spring lookbook. 27, trying a different style. 28, review of a new or popular clothing brand. 29, review of trending TikTok items. 30, outfits that you wore this week. 31, how to style one piece of clothing in multiple ways. And now we are onto the challenges. 32, recreating celebrities' Instagram photos. 33, making a DIY Easter, Halloween or Christmas costume. 34, reacting to a try not to laugh video. 35, trying to guess chip or crisps flavors. 36, following a Bob Ross art tutorial. 37, guess the gibberish. You can find an Instagram filter for this. 38, learning trending TikTok dances. 39, recreating childhood photos. 40, learning how to hula hoop. 41, answering would you rather questions. If you're looking to do a collab with someone or you have a few people to film with, here are some ideas. 42, who's most likely to. 43, guess the song. 44, yes or no challenge. 45, swapping styles for a week. 46, playing Pictionary. 47, gift swap. 48, buying outfits for each other. 49, playing heads up game. And number 50, who knows me better. This works if you have 2 or more people who know you quite well and they can go head to head to see which person knows you the best. And that's it. These were the 50 video ideas. Thank you for watching and I hope you found it helpful. Comment below which video idea you like the best and which one you think you're going to try. If you enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification button, and I'll see you next time.